We're here at the Tampa International Airport, and we are going to be doing a full elevator tour of all the public elevators in the Tampa airport. That being said, some of them are really similar, so like the ones here in the main terminal, I'm just going to ride one elevator from each bank. But anyway, here we go. These are the Yeager Elevators. We got this one over here on the left, named for Chuck Yeager. Let's go down the one. Originally Westinghouse. These were modded by Schindler. I believe they're Schindler 6400s now. Red badge plate. Looks like they're doing some work here. Let's go up to 9.
Going up.
Level 5 is closed for construction.
Short-term parking area, level 9.
As you can see, we have a lot more elevators to ride. 4 banks just in this terminal alone. We're actually going to go to 3 instead of 1.
Going down.
Here's your inspection certificate.
Level 3. Shuttles to all gates. Shops. Diners.
These are the Sikorsky Elevators. Pretty similar to the Yeagers. These are really busy. Yeager Sikorsky. Yeah, as you can tell, these are really busy. As I mentioned earlier, these are Schindler's. Used to be Westinghouse, installed in 1971, modernized around 2021, I think. Alright, we're going over to the blue side now. These are the Earhart Elevators. This one said it was going up. And we got to go down. So it says no access to level 4.
Level 1. Do ground plane and ground transportation.
Here we go. go back down to 3. Here's your certificate. Here's your named after Amelia Earhart.
Level 3, shuttle to all gates, shop, Jannus Elevators.
These ones weren't as busy. Alright, one more bank in the main terminal. These are the Armstrong Elevators. These ones, like the Earhart, say no access to level 4. These ones didn't say going up or going down.
Going down.
But it's going down. Neil Armstrong.
Level 1, blue bag plane and ground transportation.
Yeah.
Going up. Level 3, shuttles to all gates, shop,
Going
Jannus
up.
Elevators.
You're going up. I don't want to go up.
Yep,
Going up.
Going up.
Short-term parking area, level 9.
While we're here, let's just get a little look out. Hi. Don't mind me, I'm just videoing.
Going down. Level 3, shuttle to all gates, shop.
Alright, that's all 4 of the main banks, but what do we have over here? We have the Blue Express elevators that I believe were installed in 2021, so these, unlike the ones we just rode, these are brand new elevators. So, we're gonna give them a ride. Pretty sure these are 3300s, but they have the same call button as the others. Let's see, which one are we gonna get? This one. Alarm button's on. So we're going with 1. We're going to go back up to 3. We're going to do the opposite of what we normally do. Cab view going up, indicator going down. Here's your inspection certificate. Since these don't travel very far, 2 rides.
I'm gonna have to sit down and stop for a minute. If this isn't the right place, I might just get a hotel. Cheaper than Uber.
But still gonna get an Uber tomorrow.
Yeah, probably cheaper tomorrow.
Oh, here we are.
Now let's watch the indicator going up. before we move on, you can't come to TPA without seeing Phoebe the Flamingo. There she is. Anyway, let's move on. So once you leave the main portion of the airport and head towards the SkyConnect, you'll find a couple more banks of elevators over here. You might be able to see through the glass. There's one over there, and there's one over there. And those escalators are going to take you up to the SkyConnect. We're going to start with the ones over here. So these are just called the red elevators. They don't have a name like the other ones. I guess red is their name. They're not named after, say, a famous person. So here are the red elevators. We're just going to take one ride on these.
Floor, left, lobby.
Here's the lobby.
Elevator is going up.
We're going to go to 4.
Floor, 4.
So the SkyConnect is out there. We're going to end it back where we started at 3. And then we're going to go to the other side and ride the blue elevators.
Floor, 3.
These are the blue elevators. We're going to go down to 1. So these are pretty much identical to the red elevators. Blue baggage claim is down here, just like on the red ones. Oh. So the indicator works on this side, but not on that side. Also, I didn't finish on the red elevators. One opens up right to the red baggage claim. So random fun fact about Tampa. The reason why there's a red side and a blue side is because Tampa is split up by airline. There's 4 different air sides. 2 of them are red air sides and 2 of them are blue air sides. They each have their own arrival and departure lanes. So with that being said, we're gonna go over to the long-term parking garage elevators now. All right, so to get to the long-term parking garage, you have to walk over here, which is where we just were. The blue express elevators are right around the corner. Yep, there they are over there. So this walkway right here goes over to the long-term garage. And there's 4 more sets of elevators over there. We're gonna ride them. So on the way to the long-term garage elevators, we find this elevator right here. It goes to the airport police and lost and found. So let's just give it a quick ride. Here's your certificate. Just goes between 4 and 1. Car number 4. I'm guessing because the Blue Express elevators are cars 1, 2, and 3. On to the proper long-term garage elevators. We're gonna start here at the Lindbergh Elevators. There's 4 in each bank. These also used to be Westinghouse, but they were installed a little later.
Alright, thank you. I say, okay, I'm in the elevator now.
We're here on 3. Here's your certificate. We're gonna go up to 8. These ones don't have a voice. And these indicators look more red than they do brown, interestingly enough. You can see, just real quick, there's a cool sunset out there. Take a look at that. Anyway, I just realized me stepping out of the elevator is a problem because I gotta walk all the way over here now. It'd be so much easier if they had another call station like right here. We're gonna go to 4 because that's where we got on. Alright, on to the next bank. These are the Goddard Elevators, colored green. We're gonna go down. This long moving walkway goes all the way over to the terminal.
Going down.
It's got a voice. Go on the 1. Gonna start with the cab view. I'm pretty sure all of the long-term elevators have the same cab. We're gonna go up to 8.
Going up. Level 8.
We are at 8. Let's go back to 4, since that's where we started.
Going down.
It says 7 landings, although there's actually 8 here. 8 says rooftop parking. 4 says walkway to terminal parking.
Level 4.
All the rest just say parking. We're walking over the Jannus Elevators, and I noticed this little atrium, I guess you can call it, where you can see all the floors. Onto the elevators. These are the Jannus Elevators in the long-term garage. These ones are purple. We got this one right here. Let's go down the 1. Start with the cab view. Pretty basic cab, same as the other elevators. We're gonna go to 8. Here we are at the roof. And let's go down to 4. Inspection certificate. Now on to the last bank of the long-term garage. That is the Wright Brothers Elevators. Here we are at the Wright Brothers Elevators. We just missed this elevator right here. But we're gonna get this one instead.
Going down.
This one's got a voice. One.
Level 1. Going up.
We're gonna go to 8. Here we are at
Level
8.
8.
We're just gonna get a little look out real quick. Since we're up here, I want to show you a little view over here of the sunset. I think it's fitting because these are the orange elevators. Why not look at an orange sunset too? But anyway, we're gonna go back down. Again, we're on level 8, the roof of the garage. And I think, yeah, our elevator left, so we're gonna take, instead of elevator 2, we're gonna take elevator 3.
Level 8. Going down.
And let's go to 4.
Level 4.
Alright, we're back where we were before in the main terminal. So what we have to do now is we have to ride the SkyTrain to get to the next set of elevators over in the economy garage. Alright, we're here at the Sky Connect platform, and we're gonna ride these elevators that take you down to where you can enter the parking garage. These are called the purple gold elevators. Notice how the color scheme is pretty similar. Purple and gold on this side, and green and orange on the other. It's basically the same, except here instead of brown, you have gold.
Elevator is going down.
We're gonna go to 1.
Welcome to SkyConnect, providing fast and easy access.
Floor 1, lobby.
Here we are at 1. We're gonna go back up to 4.
Elevator is going up. Floor 4. Elevator is going down.
We're gonna go down to 1. We're gonna do a ride and a half on these. Since I'm gonna go to the purple and gold garage elevators next. Here's your certificate.
Floor 1, lobby.
Alright, let's move on to the gold elevators. Like in the long-term garage, you have a moving walkway system. Alright, here we are at the gold elevators in the economy parking garage. They're Schindlers. And these ones are older than the ones that we just rode. Looks like we're gonna get car number 2, which up here is labeled as B. The cabs look pretty similar to the ones in the long-term garage elevators. Dual indicators.
Going up. Level 6.
We're gonna go down to 1. Here's your cab view.
Going down.
Here's your certificate. We're gonna look at the interlock. The date on it, I think that says 12:05. It's kind of hard to see. If I zoom in, maybe it makes it easier. No, it doesn't even make it easier. But you're gonna have to take my word for it. I'm pretty sure that says 12:05. Anyway, we're gonna go to the next bank. Alright, we're over here at the purple elevators now. This one's the doors are open. Can we ride it? I guess we can. That was strange.
Going up. Level 6.
Here we're at 6. Here's a little lookout. We're gonna go back down to 1. The indicators look a little purple on the outside. I don't think that's intentional though. All right, we're on the other side of the economy garage now. These are the green-orange elevators. I'm gonna go to 1. They're basically identical to the purple and gold elevators. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna ride down and then up and then back down again.
Floor 1, lobby. Elevator is going up.
put like that Tide stick on or something. Like spray. I think we forgot to spray the stain remover at this time. You know how we usually do that? Oh, maybe we forgot that stuff.
Step Connect, providing fast and easy access to the main terminal, economy parking, and rental cars.
Going back down.
For your safety, please.
North, west, lobby.
All right. There it goes. Now off to the green elevators. Here we are at the green elevators in the economy garage. We got cars, real quick, they're labeled 12, 13, and 14, which I thought was interesting. We're going to 6. Also, that's actually wrong. It's to the left, not to the right.
Going up.
The train to the terminal, that is. Hope we're stopping. No one got on.
Going up. Level 6.
We're gonna look at the airlock. That one says 808, if I'm reading that correctly. Yeah, 808. So this elevator, this bank elevators, might have actually been installed later.
Going down.
Here's your certificate. All right, just one more bank left in this garage. All right, we're here at the orange elevators. These are cars 9, 10, and 11. We're gonna ride 9. We're gonna go up to 6.
Going up. Level 6.
Here we are at 6. Let's go at 1. So cars 7 and 8, I believe those might be the
Going down.
elevators that go to the SkyTrain. So a grand total of 14 elevators in this garage. Just for curiosity, 608, 0608, so June 2008. All right, that's all of them. So we're gonna go off to the rental car center on the SkyTrain.
This train is bound for the rental car and public bus station.
All right, we're within the rental car center now. These are the North Core elevators. As you can see, this goes down to where you can get a rental car.
Is going down.
Let's go down to 1. That says it's going up. Interesting. Let's see how long it takes to change. Now it doesn't say anything. And we were gonna do a cab view first. Here's the certificate. We're already down at 1. pretty fast. Let's go back up to 4.
Elevator is going up.
Let's finish our cab view real quick.
Floor 4.
Alright, the South Core elevators are identical to these ones. We're gonna go and ride those next. Alright, here are the South Core elevators.
Floor 2. Elevator is going down.
Interesting how there's 2 different colors. I think that's the only one that's white. The rest are red. Foam is probably also white.
Floor 1 lobby.
Alright, we ended up getting on a different elevator
Is going up.
since someone got on the one we were just on. So now we're on elevator 7 before we were on 6.
Floor 4.
Real quick, here's your certificate. Alright, this is the last bank of elevators in the rail car center. These ones have no apparent name. These go down to the public bus and off airport parking. So basically same cabs as most of the other elevators, excluding parking garages, that is. We're gonna go back up to 4. Alright. There it goes. Also, this section of the airport I have never been to before, because I think last time I was here it was still under construction. So I don't even know what's over here, but we're gonna find out. And there is more. SkyCenter. We're gonna go down to 1. Let's do a cab view first. This cab is actually different from the other cabs. Here's your certificate. We're gonna go up to 4. We're actually gonna see, it looks like you can go up, although it says authorized personnel only. So we're just gonna ride one of those since I've never been on these elevators before. We got this one. Let's go to 5. And we can't go to 5, let's go to 1. This door close button is jammed. So, same cab. Pretty basic, but nice. Actually, I must say, the fact that this isn't just a plain white, I definitely appreciate that.
Elevator is going up.
We're going to 4. Here's your certificate. Interesting how that says 2R and not 2. Anyway, there it goes. And that's it. I think that's finally all of them. Alright, we're back here in the main terminal, and we've done it. We've ridden at least one elevator from all the banks at the Tampa International Airport. I know this has been a really long video, and odds are most of you skipped to the end to see this. I know I wouldn't have had the patience to watch this entire video of my own, but regardless of whether you skipped to the end or not, thank you for watching. This video was originally published as a 1,000 subscriber special, so I just wanted to say thank you for your support. Hopefully we're going to reach even bigger milestones in the near future. With that being said, stay tuned for more, and I'll see you all later.